since the orchard sprout leaves, as does the gladiolus along the White Creek. Rest who will, I think, and consider many important things, natural and otherwise, we hear people whispering about. Since cuckoldry spreads, and one cuckold does not flatter the other, let's let them come and go. Who cares to know which had chose first? Because I wouldn't give 2 pennies to resolve their embroils. For this way virtue keeps dimming, and folly gets out of bounds. Alone I can't dampen the fire of the worldly dandies, who make the criminal doubly so worse than I dare recount. The she-barterers bartering will exchange delicacies by barter. They drive virtue and youth to ruin. They barter with the he-barterers, melting because in spite of their desires, they can't conceal from me that they are freezing. And if I think I'm censuring their folly, I look for trouble, since my anger is hardly cared for. I go sowing my grievances on natural rocks, since I see no grain or flower grow. If I ever was troubled by a long wait, I have spent the wait waiting until she had nowhere else to turn. I see so many people here with matching keys that there will hardly remain a whole cunt to be broken in, or to be shared in half. I give myself to God, how can one trust this world which falls and rises belatedly? I want to repent, but if I'm being more confident than fallen ones and reprobates, to whom the wise this way. Marcabru wants completely of receiving. If it weren't that, I would be rich, taking and giving, but they have thinned me out from afar. I will never be their adversary, because I can't endure the war.